Matt, huge thanks for taking us out in your car. Can you talk us through what we're in?
We're actually in a Mk4 R32. It's a 3.2 V6 and it's 4-wheel drive.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes,
see, this is the thing, I don't know anything about these cars, so I would never have guessed it was 4-wheel drive.
So yeah, so around corners and stuff like that, it's very, very good.
Right.
And the reason I bought it was for these sounds. It's just absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it sounds absolutely brilliant. So how long have you had the car?
So I've owned the car for over 2.5 years now. I've spent quite a lot of money on it since owning it.
Yeah.
But mainly like just maintaining it and making sure it's driving right and stuff like that.
Absolutely,
really.
yeah. So it's on the air ride. Can you talk us through that?
Yeah, so luckily I bought it with air ride on it as it's very expensive.
Yeah.
And I can adjust the ride height as I'm going along. It's very, very, very good.
Yeah.
There's a massive discussion on if it's better than coilovers or are you better being static.
Sure.
For me, I love the look of it when it's aired out.
That's it.
Other people, they might want to go for the static look. It's completely up to.
So it's going to come down to your personal opinion.
Yeah.
You know what sort of community you want to be part of.
Yeah.
What sort of shows you're going to. Absolutely. And when we parked up, it looked really, really good.
Yeah, that's it. It looks really nice, and for me, it drives really nice. It handles well.
Yeah. So the interior is a really nice place to be. Can you talk us through some of the bits that have been done?
Yeah, so I've had the seats completely redone, and the roof is Alcantara.
Yeah.
The previous owner, luckily, was Dave the Trimmer. It's well known on social media.
Yeah.
Doing Maguire's cars and stuff like that, and he has done the whole of the interior, and it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous. So these are the standard seats, but they've been retrimmed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I love the standard seats.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of people go for track spec, get Recaros and stuff like that, and apparently they are really comfortable.
Yeah.
But for me, I wouldn't have anything else.
So the car is obviously absolutely brilliant fun for like a weekend hoot or something like that. Are there any negatives, downsides to owning the car?
Mainly the fuel consumption.
Okay.
Now I don't drive this daily purely because I don't want to be spending like £300–400 a month just on fuel.
Yeah.
Especially as it's becoming more of a classic, I want to try and keep the mileage down.
Yeah.
Just for the future.
Sure.
And the running costs really.
Yeah. Okay.
always remember growing up and my mum having a little race with other cars, and she always used to want to race one of these.
Okay.
And for me, I love the sound of it. I love how rare they are, and that they're becoming a classic, and that's why I wanted it so much.
So the engine and the exhaust sound absolutely brilliant. What exhaust have you got on there at the moment?
So at the moment there is a Miltech back box, and I'm running DCAT.
Okay.
So eventually I want to go louder. It's just knowing the right way to do it. I could have a shut-off valve, or go completely straight through, and it would just be loud all the time.
Okay. Did you say you had one of these before?
Yeah, so I had one previously. It was my second car, so I had it when I was 20.
Right.
Absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to explore other things.
Sure. Yeah.
And at that time, it was very expensive to run.
Yeah. Okay. So what year did they start making these?
So they made these in 2002 to 2004, and then that was it.
Wow. 2 years.
Yep. 2 years.
So that's what makes these so special, because there was such a limited run of them.
Yes. Yeah. And that's why I think that they're going to be a future classic.
Yep. Folks, that kind of brings us to the end of the video. We've just got some unexpected shots with the airplane, so I hope you enjoyed those. That's really good fun to film. Massive thanks to Matt for letting us take a look at the R32.
You're welcome.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, because it does help us out a lot. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you later.